Hello everyone, it's 5th January. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have Venezuela VP to take over as Maduro held in US jail. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Center will allow multiple airports in major cities, says Civil Aviation Minister. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have India's Russian oil imports at 6 months high in November. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Going forward, we have Delhi government to declare rabies notifiable disease to prevent deaths, improve surveillance. Again, very important for polity perspective. Going forward, we have winter session begins today. CAG reports air pollution crisis likely to be debated. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have the education plus, where we have a smooth transition as many students prepare to enter the workforce in 2026. Here are some tips to close the readiness gap. Again, very important for employment as well as education perspective. Then we have trial flight successfully tested, lands at Bhogapuram, 96% work done, says operator. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Going forward, we have the uncertainty after Maduro. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have political instability, constitutional change, and the military hold over Pakistan. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Going forward, we have Venezuela crisis unlikely to hit India's energy security. Again, very important for international relations as well as defense perspective. Going forward, we have India concerned for well-being of people of Venezuela, says MEA. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have amid divided views, Modi government plays it safe for Maduro. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have NIA files charge sheets. Again, 2 more in 2024 hotel firing case. Again, very important. Then we have Manrega is synonymous with corruption, says Chauhan. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Going forward, we have Air Force Chiefs calls for timely delivery of combat aircraft. Again, very important for defense perspective. Then we have the Hindu Sustainability Dialogues to be held tomorrow, focus on environmental issues. Again, very important for environment perspective. Going forward, lastly, we have the world page, where we have Democratic US lawmakers say they were misled on Venezuela. Then we have China asked US to release Maduro, his wife, at once. Then we have Myanmar's junta release over 6,100 prisoners on independence anniversary. Lastly, we have Sri Lanka's JVP slams military aggression of US in Venezuela. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.